Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for October 16 to 31, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description. At sa pinned comment, paka-check nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan, paalala lang, ang reading na to ay general reading. So, maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Ayan, so let's see. Scorpio. Ano yung update for you? Energy update for Scorpio. Maaring kayo ay magiging busy, may mga kakausapin kayo either sa government, may mga government offices or sa court or someone from the judiciary. O talaga judiciary. Kasi dami rito energy ng people in authority, no? Maaring yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng sa business, may mga kakausapin kayong importanteng clients for business partnership, projects, ayan. And some of you, may mga major decision kayo na kailangan gawin. Maaring mas magiging committed ka sa mga goals mo ngayon. Unlike before na parang medyo flaky, na parang hindi ka ganun kaseryoso. But I think ngayon, you know what you want. And yun yung magiging focus mo. Kasi yun, alam mo na kung ano yung gusto mo. You have the Three of Wands. So this is an energy of exploration. So maaring may ina-explore ka, inaalam. This is improvement, expansion. Kung ano man yung mga nasimulan mo in the past, may kita mo na mas umuunlad yan, mas nag-grow yan ngayong second half ng October. This can be a business, your career, your knowledge. Pwede rin yung relationship mo. You have Temperance, Two of Pentacles. Magiging busy ka for this second half ng October. You will have a lot of mga activities, no? Lalo na kung meron kang startup na ginagawa. Like, starting up a new business or career or bagong interest na taking up your time. Okay? So, just make sure na hindi ka na di-distract. Kasi maaring may distraction dyan. May mga bagay na maaring mong i-overthink kasi gusto mo maging perfect yung outcome, no? But, alam nyo, ang isa sa pinaka mahirap rin paglabanan ngayon, distraction. Kasi lahat ng mga forms of entertainment nasa paligid natin. Like, nasa phone natin. May times na meron tayong dapat gawin pero napacheck tayo ng phone natin and then nagdo-doom scrolling na tayo. Hindi natin napansin. 1 hour na pala yung nakalipas. Nagsa-cellphone lang tayo for no reasons at all, no? Just for entertainment. And yung mga dapat natin gawin, hindi na natin nagawa. And may mga times na tatama rin kasi sabihin mo bukas na lang. And it becomes a cycle, no? So, that is something na kailangan mo ring i-let go na. Sabihin ko rework reassess your situation kung ano yung nakakabuti para sa'yo. And definitely you will have this clarity na kailangan mo. Magkakaroon ka rin ng inspiration, like a creative inspiration for something new that you want to do. Although may mga tao na pwedeng pipigil sa'yo sa gusto mong gawin. But ang importante is, alam mo talaga kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. Kasi kung hindi mo yan alam, hindi ka sigurado, diba? Madali kang ma-discourage ng iba. Diba? Pero kung sigurado ka, kahit ano pa yung sabihin ng iba, gagawin mo pa rin, pupursue mo kasi you are sure about what you really want. Okay? So, let's see the energy of your kaperahan. Money, career, finances. Money, career, finances for Scorpio. Money, career, finances. Money, career, okay. Money, career, finances for Scorpio. The Strength card. The Lovers. Uy, very strong. Going strong ang inyong career, finances. Puro mga ano to, major arcana. So, iba sa inyo, focus rin kayo sa pag-build ng iyong finances, savings ninyo, mas nagiging productive nga kayo, and also, nag-iingat rin kayo ngayon sa paggastos. Yung tipong, kung ano lang yung kailangan. Oo. Lalo na, at meron kang goal na gusto mong ma-achieve sa finances mo na dapat ganito yung savings mo or ganito yung certain amount of money na income mo monthly. Oo, dun sa mga naset mo. And magiging abundant yung iyong finances, career, trabaho kung syempre magsisipag ka. Kasi you need to have that strength to continue whatever you're doing, whatever is working for you pagdating sa career mo or trabaho mo. Relationship, yung iba single kayo dyan, na single kayo, there can be a new relationship or new interest, no? Romantic interest. Pero you have to pay attention sa intention ng taong to kasi pwedeng, alam mo na, meron siyang personal na agenda or something that will benefit this person, kaya siya nagpapapansin sa'yo. So, be more vigilant. Oo. If you are in a relationship, pwedeng, yung iba sa inyo may pag-aalala kayo if your partner is, siya, kung talaga bang loyal siya sa'yo. Pwedeng may loyalty issues or pwedeng nagiging toxic yung relationship ninyo because of trust issues. Some of you, there is a new direction na tatahakin, bagong opportunity. You are taking a risk. Pagdating sa passion mo, pagdating sa interest mo, pagdating sa gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay, like what you really want. Oh my God, may betrayal. So, take this as a warning sa intention ng mga tao sa paligid nyo. Whether this is about a person that you're connecting with romantically or whether this is about your friend or a business partner na may ino-offer sa'yo pero medyo risky. So, make sure na pinag-aaralan mo bago ka mag-commit or bago ka sumubok. Good cheer. You are surrounded by some people that are supportive of you, no? Parang kumbaga alam nila na you are on the right track. These people are binibigyan ka ng energy boost, ng confidence boost. Definitely romantic connection here, no? Merong maaring iba sa inyo magte-take kayo ng risk sa isang tao na bagong kilala nyo lang or hindi nyo pa talaga totally kilala. Pwedeng papasok kayo sa relationship na yan. But you have to be careful. Kilalanin nyo yung taong to. Mag-set ka ng boundaries. Kasi pwedeng itong taong to ay hindi talaga siya, hindi niya sinasabi pa yung totoo. And that's normal. I mean, that's normal talaga. May mga ganun eh. Nasa una, syempre, hindi ka pa ganun katiwala na magsabi lang natin information sa taong to. Dahil bago pa lang kayo, and dun yun yung time na i-discover nyo pa yung isa't isa, diba? Some of you are also healing kung kayo nagkasakit, physically, mentally, emotionally. You are healing from that. Maaring ito ay healing from your past trauma, past relationships that you are finally realizing na it's time to move on dahil nasa-stuck ka lang sa isang situation or mindset na hindi na nakakatulong sa pag-unlad mo, and it's time to move forward. Honor your feelings. So, some of you can be a bit emotional during these times, no? Pwedeng may mga meron kang mga yung mabilis kang mag-react sa isang sitwasyon, lalo na kung may kinalaman sa emotions mo, like magagalit ka, maiiyak ka. Oo. But there are times talaga na kailangan harapin mo yung emosyon na yun, kung saan yun nanggagaling, kung bakit mo nararamdaman yun. 'Di ba? Kasi kung mabilis kang maapektuhan nun, there is something na kailangan mong i-reflect sa sarili mo kung bakit. 'Di ba? And if it's affecting you in a negative way, you have to heal from that. And some of you are going to heal from that. Oh my God. Sa mga single na Scorpio, a new romantic cycle begins. And if ever kayo ay nasa relationship na, medyo mag-ingat kasi baka, may temptation sa paligid ninyo. Kahit na meron na kayong romantic partner, meron pa rin new cycle ng relationship. So, just make sure na rin na alam nyo yung pinapasok nyo, alam nyo yung consequences niyan. Okay, so that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.